Are we ready? Are we ready? Mac, are we ready? Mac, it's Friday. It's time to show the Unboxing Pez Show.
Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez. Unboxing Pez.
Hello, Pezzers, and welcome to the Unboxing Pez Show. Today we get to open new Pez, and you're here too, and that makes it special. This one comes from Rusty. Wonder what's inside. Let's get to it, shall we? What is it? What's in this box? Turn it over. Okay. Wow. It's the Big Rig series. It's an orange rig and it says Pez on the side of the truck. Pez, 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 Pez candies. Comes with 3 packs of Pez candy, strawberry, orange, and lemon. Look at that. The little mascot has a trucker's hat. He has a trucker's hat. Free the Pez, I always say. Let's get it off of this card today. Let's get it out of there. Check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. And a toy you can play with. Well, let's check out this toy, shall we? Look at that. Pez 2004 on the truck. There it is, that's how you load it. It comes out from here. And it's advertising Pez on the side. And it says US patent 7.5. Really hard to read right in there. I don't know, maybe you guys can see it. And made in China on this side. Very cool. We got Pez to move out. Let's get these Pez out of here.
New videos!
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Check it out! We're on Instagram and Facebook.